How to fix Temu affiliate program not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Temu affiliate program not working. So let's get started. First of all, head over to any of the search engine and type in Temu affiliate, and this is the one that you need. That is www.temu.com. Here you'll be able to see affiliate program. Simply click on it and then you gotta make sure you're logged in. So if you're not logged in, you can simply log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see something like this. So what you're going to do is click on affiliate over here at the left. So once you do so, you'll be able to see something like you can earn 10 to 30% commission and the amount of reward. So if your affiliate program is not working, the reason might be that you have not copied the code properly. To do that, you're going to scroll down. Here, you'll be able to see referrals can get, and you can simply select the referral. For example, this one over here. You're going to click on share. And then make sure that you copy this properly. Simply copy it and then send it to whoever you want. You can simply click on it and it will be copied. You can email it to someone, send it on WhatsApp, Facebook, Pinterest. You can also copy the link from here, and you can also copy deep link. That is, you can copy the link to the platform as well. So that is basically how you can fix Temu affiliate program not working. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.